this is 7 common sense proofs of flat Earth. And this little device in my hand makes proof number 8. Well, I guess for this video, proof number 1. Compasses only work on flat surfaces. Figure that one out. So, start with my list. Number 1, water. Water always seeks and finds its level. Calm water is flat, so flat it's used in measuring tools. 70% of the planet is water. There is no curve. 70% water. Second is the moon. It is noticeably closer than we were taught in schools. It's not what we've been taught. Which brings me to proof number 3, NASA lies. First, the moon rolls back and forth like a combination lock on a safe. There's no spin, no gravity. Proof number 3, NASA lies. They lied about the moon landing and many other things. Check them out. That's another video, another person. Proof number 4, the sun. Seeing it get bigger and smaller as it goes across our sky, and it goes around in its big giant circle, you can actually zoom in on it. It's a lot closer than you think. When it gets out of sight and everything's dark, you can actually zoom in and see the light. You can see the sun oftentimes behind clouds, proving it's in our atmosphere. So let's go on to number 5, the second law of thermodynamics. Air, talking about air, the second law states that gas pressure, in a pressurized system, the air fills any and all available space. Meaning you cannot have an air pressure system like ours next to a vacuum. It's impossible. It's law. If you don't agree with that, check out Nathan Oakley, 1980. He knows a whole shitload about the second law of thermodynamics. Number 6, horizontal perspective. We now know, through the invention of zoom cameras, laser testing, that things that don't disappear behind the horizon over the curve. They simply go beyond the point of sight, called the vanishing point. You can zoom right in on things, like we were talking about the sun. They claim there's an 8-inch per mile curve. That does not exist. So, moving right along. Proof number 7. Stars. Stars and real-time constellations, along with true appearance of planets. The star Polaris stays fixed over the North Pole, while all the other luminaries circle around it, as it has predictably for thousands of years, before I was born, long before I was born. I think that at least takes care of the whole wobble thing, right? Earth don't move, never mind wobble. And amateur videos, they show planets to be vibrational lights in water. Read your Bibles. Please like and subscribe. God bless you all.